Open up your browser, then go to chatfuel.com. We need to sign up first to Chatfuel. Creating an account is easy, just click on Get Started for free. Then, we'll redirect it to Facebook. Just continue and leave the default options. This is our Chatfuel dashboard. Our next step, to activate our bot. Napakadali na mag-activate ng bot. Just click on Create a New Page. Just continue and leave the default options. You will see here all your available pages. Kung ano yung ginawa mo, magpapakita dito. Select the page you want, then Next, the default options. In Chatfuel dashboard, connect the bot to our page by clicking Connect to Page. We successfully connected our page to our new chatbot. This is where we start automating the process. In Chatfuel dashboard, click on Automate. On Automate page, as you see, there is welcome message and default answer. Tawag dito ay blocks. Blocks is like an individual pages on your site. Click the welcome message block. Let's delete the default text and provide our own message. Our next step is to create a block. Under Add Blocks, click the plus sign icon. This will create a new block. Let's rename our block to How to Order. You can rename it whatever you want. Let's add a text element. This is like our welcome message before. Under Add Element, click the text element and add a message. Let's create again a new block. Under Add Blocks, click the plus sign icon again. This will create another block. Let's rename our block to How Much. Let's add a new text element and add a message. Let's also add an image. Yes, we can also add an image here. Under Add Element, just choose the image, then upload the image you want. We are almost finished. We will now connect the blocks we created earlier. Back to Welcome Message block, click on Add Button. Let's provide the title of this button, How to Order. On Redirect to Block, choose the block that we created. Here, I'll choose this block. Here, we created an action that if the user click this button, will show the content of How to Order block, which is the message we created earlier. Let's create another button for our remaining block. One more thing. What if the user sent a message that the chatbot can't understand? That's where the default answer block comes. On default answer block, let's delete the default text and provide our own message. Basically, if the chatbot didn't recognize the message, our bot will display this message instead. And that's it. We created our first chatbot. To test this, go to your messenger and search the name of your page. Then, click on Get Started. Thank you.